Are you looking for the best camping shovels? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best camping shovels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Camping Shovel Axe Outdoor Survival Set. The Camping Shovel Axe Outdoor Survival Shovel Set is a 28-in-1 survival tool set that includes a shovel, flashlight, saw, axe, hoe, hexagon wrench, scissors, multi-function tools, bottle opener, screw set, compass, whistle, hunting knife, and more. The shovel is made from hardened, heat-treated military solid carbon steel, and the hatchet is made from a strong mix of chromium and high-carbon steel. The extended back shovel can reach up to 40.1 inches, making it suitable for camping, backpacking, hiking, off-roading, fishing, emergency, and gardening. Customers have praised the quality of the axe head and shovel, but have noted that the other parts are cheaply made, including the case itself. What we like: sturdy and reliable knife, solid and durable shovel, well-designed extended poles, comprehensive and versatile toolset, great value for price. What we don't like: case may not last long, short screwdriver bits. Number 2. AugTouf 18-foot military folding camping shovel. The AugTouf 18-foot military folding camping shovel is a lightweight, versatile tool perfect for camping, gardening, entrenching, hiking, backpacking, and car emergencies. Made of 50 high-carbon steel, it is rust-resistant and anti-deformation, with a triangular large handle design that is anti-slip and reduces hand fatigue and wrist strain. It folds up compactly into a small bag and comes with a heavy-duty nylon case with a loop backside and sponge inside. AugTouf offers a 90-day hassle-free warranty policy. What we like: lightweight design, durable construction, compact for storage, easy to use, versatile for various tasks. What we don't like: smaller than expected, not survival quality. Number 3. DARTMOOR Mini Folding Shovel. The DARTMOOR Mini Folding Shovel is a rugged, heat-treated, high-carbon steel tool that is perfect for digging, shoveling, sawing, chopping, and entrenching. It is ergonomically designed with an 11.8-inch handle and 6.3-inch by 4.7-inch shovel head, and comes with a nylon carry case for easy portability. It is a must-have for backyards, gardens, campers, forest rangers, and outdoorsmen. What we like: compact and easy to use, durable under various conditions, affordable price point, versatile for multiple tasks. What we don't like: handle could be larger, smaller than expected size. Number 4. PLACHIDAY Folding Camping Shovel. The PLACHIDAY Folding Camping Shovel is a versatile and compact tool that is perfect for all your outdoor needs. Its compact structure and high performance make it ideal for emergency situations, camping, gardening, and yard work. The shovel is made of high-carbon steel material, ensuring its strength, durability, and rust resistance. With its collapsible and portable design, it can be easily folded and stored in the included nylon bag. The triangular handle design provides a good grip, and the serrated cutting edge is useful for cutting small branches while camping. This folding shovel is a must-have for survivalists, campers, hikers, and other outdoor enthusiasts. With 24-hour customer support, any issues with the shovel will be promptly addressed. Stay prepared and tackle any outdoor task with the PLACHIDAY camping shovel. What we like: compact and lightweight, sturdy construction, good for various terrains, easy to store, great for beach use. What we don't like: flimsy handle design, not suitable for heavy-duty use. Number 5. Crescent Moon Collapsible Snow Shovel. The Crescent Moon Snow Shovel is a compact and lightweight tool that is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and motorists who like to be prepared for any situation. Weighing just over 1 pound, this collapsible shovel can be easily carried and is adjustable in length, ranging from 20 to 33 inches. With 3 different fixed sizing options, you can customize it to the most suitable length for your needs. The ergonomic design, featuring a straight handle and D-grip, allows for easy adjustment of the pushing angle, making it effortless to throw snow, rocks, or mud. Whether you are snowshoeing, hiking, backpacking, camping, or engaging in other outdoor activities, the Crescent Moon Snow Shovel is a versatile tool that offers convenience and reliability. What we like: lightweight and compact design, robust construction, versatile for various uses, aesthetically pleasing color, adjustable size for convenience. What we don't like: small scoop capacity. Deployment can be fiddly.